When working with complex FEA models, analyzing specific sections of a structure can quickly become a repetitive and time-consuming task, especially if you need to identify local maxima and minima in different regions of the model, as in each rib section. In this example, we start from a wing whose span-wise direction is aligned with the x-axis, and we automate this sectional analysis directly in NaxToView using a Python script that also includes a simple graphical interface. Let's see it in action first. With the model already loaded, we open the script and the section plot window appears. We select the x-axis, enter the intervals we want to analyze, adjust the tolerance, and choose the result and component of interest. To automatically flag the critical points in each section, we also enable the creation of max and min tags. We click Run, and the script takes care of the rest. It creates node and element groups for each interval, plots the result over those regions, and labels the extreme values for each rib. The result is a much faster, more robust, and easily repeatable workflow within NaxToView. No more isolating and checking each section one by one. Let's take a quick look at how it works. It starts by parsing the intervals you type into the GUI, turning that text into valid numeric ranges, and reading the active model and the selected load case directly from the scene open in NaxToView. Then it builds the sections. It reads the mesh once, caching node coordinates and element connectivity so that information can be reused across all sections. For each interval, it identifies the nodes inside that range and the elements fully contained within it, and creates one node group and one element group per section. With that information, it plots the selected result only on those regions, nodal or elemental, depending on the result type, and if enabled, adds a max and a min tag per section, giving you the extreme values for each rib at a glance. Everything is tied together in a simple GUI where you set the axis, sections, tolerance, result, and component, and decide whether to create the tags all without touching a line of code. This is just one example of what you can build with NaxToView's scripting capabilities, turning a manual, repetitive check into a one-click, repeatable workflow that adapts to how your team actually works. Download NaxTo and start automating your analysis. Ready to scale your FEA post-processing?